morning. We are hanging out at Disney's Coronado Springs today. And where are we going?
We're grabbing breakfast at Rick's Sports Bar and Grill. We've heard good things about their lunch and their dinner, but we've heard excellent things about their breakfast. Mine was a very simple little dish: Greek yogurt, acai, fruit granola, and almonds. But it was really good. I wasn't nervous or anything, but just, it's always like, is this going to be filling is always my concern, because I don't eat so many things for breakfast, but this was really good. I'm very full. I feel very satiated.
How much was it?
It was $13.
Okay.
And the pieces of fruit were nice and big. If I had one critique, the strawberries were a little big. Like I said, to cut them down, I guess, is like, if I had to say something, I guess that's it. I have no qualms with this. It was a great breakfast.
And then I ordered the Southern Chicken Biscuit Skillet, fried chicken, biscuits, and then gravy. There was some seasoning on the gravy, and I'm not sure what that seasoning was, but it was still really good. Pretty filling, although not so much where it's like, okay, I feel like I can't get on a roller coaster, or I feel like I'm going to be miserable walking around in the parks. So it was kind of the perfect size. It was $18, so a little more expensive than I usually like to spend on a dish, especially a breakfast. The chicken was cooked very well, or I guess it was fried. Not so crispy. When I get fried chicken, I usually like it to be fried to a crisp, but something I think about later, and that's going to give me a heart attack. Fried chicken is not the most healthy thing that you could ever order, but in this way it works because, again, when you go to this type of restaurant for breakfast, you're going to be going to the parks afterwards. You don't want to feel like you're going to die. I thought it was really, really good. I don't really have any critiques on it. So.
And then,
oh gosh,
Tyler ordered a latte. I'm so excited. He doesn't drink coffee, but it was a churro latte, so he had to get it.
So, if you guys know me outside of Next Stop Churro Cart, you know that I'm very stubborn about the fact that I don't drink coffee. I'm proud of it, and it's something that I try to avoid doing. Given the fact that we are Next Stop Churro Cart, I'm like, I can't pass this latte up. So we gave it a shot. I did like it. I don't know that I love the taste of espresso. I also don't know if I liked it because it was iced. It was sweet. It was delicious.
He drank it all. I think he liked it, and so now he's going to become a coffee person.
No, I am not. But it was really sweet. It tasted like a churro, so it is, because every now and then you get a drink that's supposed to taste like something and it doesn't really taste like whatever it's aiming for.
It was good.
So
it was a good latte.
We spent from start to finish about 40 minutes in the restaurant. Now just keep in mind though that based on the size of your party or how many kids you might have, how busy it is, it could be a little bit of a varying experience for you. For us, 40 minutes from start to finish. We ended up spending about $40, maybe just a little bit over. That was 2 meals and then a special seasonal drink.
Latte.
It was $40, ended up being more with tip.
Would we recommend doing a place like this before your park day? As always, it depends. If you're a family that eats breakfast every morning, yes. I think this is a much more full breakfast versus grabbing something and going. You're going to be hungry, but this was a very filling breakfast. We enjoyed it a lot. I would 1,000% go back and get this again. You could always come down earlier, grab what you need to go, or go back up to your room and eat while you're getting ready, and then pop out to a park. Or you could give up your rope drop time.
There was a lot of space in that restaurant too.
There was, and it was empty when we were in there because we went right as it opened at 8. I thought it was well worth it. We're done, and the only reason we're going to be a little bit late to rope drop Epcot is because, one, we're choosing not to rope drop Epcot, but two, because we had a breakfast. We're now full, and we won't have to eat until our reservation at 1 in Epcot. I think this was well worth it.
Would you go back?
I would 100%. I would go back to this restaurant. It was good. I would like to try lunch and dinner. I've heard good things about lunch and dinner, but I would go back for breakfast. And we don't say this often, but neither of us are big breakfast people. Like, we eat it because we should. We're trying to be more healthy, so it's always nice when we stumble upon a place that has actual food that we'll eat.
We're trying to be more healthy, says the guy who ate a bunch of fried chicken.
But that's going to do it for our review of Rick's Sports Grill, and we hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Thank you so much for watching. Of course, if you liked anything that you saw, please like, subscribe, comment below. We'd love to hear from you. But for now, we hope you guys are having a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye!